Don't forget to hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you know when videos drop. Thanks for watching.
I've got to get some brand new peacock feathers to restore my award-winning photograph that won second place at the Iowa State Fair in the Creative Division many years ago. I have a good supply of peacock feathers that fell out of my peacocks last fall. Mrs. Peacock's going to help me put this together.
I finally got into the house and I got the peacock feathers for Mrs. Peacock, and they're right over here. These are so beautiful. We have to replace the ones on the wall with these new feathers. So, Mrs. Peacock, are you ready?
I'm ready. Take it off the wall.
And there it is. Oh my gosh, this is the award-winning photograph. It looked like the back has come apart. Oh yes, it
Dusty.
has. It's very dusty. We're gonna get our dust rag and we're gonna dust it off a little bit.
This is number 20. We entered 20 photographs. And this is our name. And what we called it Feather Fantasy. And here is what they wrote. It says second place.
Wasn't that the first year we entered at the State Fair?
Yes.
To get a photograph selected just for the State Fair displaying was monumental. But to get in your first try a second place in one of the divisions was unbelievable, wasn't it, Mrs. Peacock?
Yes, it was. And 12 of our 20 pictures were selected to compete, and one was this one in the creative class. It's amazing. So now, let's fix it.
What I'm doing is putting some of this special mounting tape because we want this to last. Here we go. Are you ready? Push this down. I thought we were going to have to glue this, but apparently we did it the old-fashioned way with tape. It's amazing what you could do with tape. And there it is. It's ready to be put together with feathers now by Mrs. Peacock.
Let's do it.
You ready to put it on the wall?
Yep, let's put her up there.
Well, good luck.
If I can.
Well, Mrs. Peacock, it's there. It looks pretty good. I think it should last another 34 years. What do you think, Mrs. Peacock?
Well, we hope so.
Order The Wacky World of Peafowl books at peafowl.com.